Our studio tries to find some of the most relevant ways of understanding ludology and narratology inside the video game Pokemon Go using a quantitative approach. To achieve our goal, we have focused on 4 different objectives of research. The first one is connected with the profile of the gamer, including information about gender and educational skills. The second one is connected with the narrative perspection and the narrative ways of understanding and exploring the video games. We tried to know if they were comfortable with the Pokemon universe, including other animes and other experience with previous video games. In the third place, we focus in the gameplay and the mechanics of the game. We try to understand the uses of challenges, of bonuses, of items. And in the fourth place, we tried to understand the main causes of the dropout of the game and trying to understand why some gamers were leaving the game. So for achieving our goal, we designed a concrete tool for measuring those elements, and we had some concrete consequences, some concrete results of our studio. Now we discover that the main gamer of Pokemon Go, it's male, continues being male, but we found, for instance, a huge dispersion of the data in terms of educational skills. We found cases in which we were talking about people who was not even in high school and people who had finished the postgraduate studies. In the second place, we noticed that there was a strong connection between a previous knowledge of the Pokemon universe and the engagement in Pokemon Go. But it was not easy to connect. In fact, we made a Chi Quadrado test and it failed. And it was not possible to make a clear connection between the levels of engagement and the narrative previous knowledge of the universe. And in the third place, we found a very strong connection between what the gamers thought that they were the lacks of their experience, the problems of the game design, and the causes of dropouts. And both of them were related with the main interest inside the game, who was basically capturing new Pokemons. We discovered that the gamers thought that they were very weak experiences inside the game, connected with training and connected with fighting between gamers and fighting in the gyms and so on. So basically, we think that our research can be interesting to understand how this first big experience of applying augmented reality to apps and to video games for mobile phones have worked. And we think that our tool is going to be very useful for researchers in the future, because it's the first time that we try to make a connection between the measure of narratological and ludological levels inside a video game experience.